That's finally activated.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth thunderstorm warning for southwestern Parker County in north central Texas, northwestern Hood County in north central Texas until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight
Now we're
Time.
finally getting
At
something.
9:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lipan, or 13 miles west of Granbury, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Lipan and Horseshoe
Oh,
Bend.
wow.
Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts.
Oh, come on now. Not
Source,
this again.
radar indicated.
Not this again.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those
Not
caught
this
without
again.
shelter.
PDS. PDS.
Homes will be heavily damaged.
PDS.
Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations in Texas include Granbury, Brock, Western Lake, Lipan, Oak Trail Shores, Horseshoe Bend, Amata North, Stockton Bend, Wapples, Lake Granbury, Dennis, and Tin Top. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Imagine if